So next topic, electric potential due to point charge. So what is the potential due to this point charge? Actually we can consider one charge at point, what is that, O. So electric field is created around it. This is field created around this, what is that, charge. Now we can consider one point P within the field. This point P is locating at R distance from this O. Now we can consider what is it, A, 2 points here. What is it? This is point A and this is point B. That point A, it is locating at distance, what is that, X, from this, what is that, point O. Now here we can consider one test charge Q0. It is bringing from this infinity to, what is that, which point, P point, against the electric field. That is our aim. Then we can calculate the potential at this P point. So our aim is to bring the test charge from infinity to, what is that, P point. Then potential at this point P, that is V, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is potential. So we are going to show this equation. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Air is there. Air permittivity value you know, 8.85 10 power of minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Q is the charge at this point and R is the distance. So potential V. V is the potential at this point. Now potential means work done to bring a test charge from infinity to a point against this field direction. So initially we can bring a test charge from infinity to, what is that, A point. Later we can shift this charge, test charge, from A point to B point, that is small distance dx. So the small work done or little work done or small work to bring test charge from A to B point through small distance dx. Therefore work done dW is equal to product of force into displacement. Here electric field force, it is acting in this direction. Displacement of the particle is, what is it, opposite to the direction. So that's why minus of F into dx. Okay. So why? Because electric field and electric field force, displacement, displacement opposite with each other. Therefore work is said to be, what is it, negative work, that is force into Fs cos of theta. Fs cos of theta, theta value it is equal to 180 degrees, cos of 180, that is equal to minus of 1. Therefore minus of F into this. This is okay. Then S is nothing but, what is it, where S is equal to dx. Therefore minus of F into dx. Then this is small work done to bring the test charge from, what is it, A point to B point. Test charge is nothing but Q. Then here this is equation 1. What is the electric field force between the two charges? Electric field force between electric force or electrostatic force between two charges according to Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. So, what is the Coulomb's law statement? Force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here, Q1 is nothing but Q, and this test charge it is, what is it? Shifting to point, what is it? A. So, Q naught by distance. Distance is nothing but x square. So, according to our formula. So, this is equation number. This equation we can substitute into them. We are writing from this formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square formula we can apply. Okay. So, this is force, electrostatical force between two charges. Then, what is that? This value you can substitute in the equation to substitute in equation 1. Therefore, F is equal to, or dW it is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by x square into dx. This is small work done to shift the charge from A point to B point. Okay. So, total work. What is the total work done? Total work done to bring test charge Q naught from infinity to point P at a distance R. So, at a distance R, locate at a distance R from O. So, this is what is the total work done. So, apply integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. What you are getting here? Therefore, integration of dW, that is equal to minus of integration of 1 by 4 pi into epsilon naught Q naught by x square into dx. Right? So, therefore, integration of dW is nothing but W. Is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. Take outside of the integration. Q naught are the charges. These are also constant values. Take outside. Where x is only, what is that? Variable. That is distance moved by the charge. Kept inside the integration. Integration limits. We are bringing a test charge from infinity to which point? R. Infinity to R. So, therefore, W is equal to minus of Q naught divided by 4 pi into epsilon naught integration of x power minus 2 into dx infinity to R. So, therefore, it is in the form of x power n dx. Formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Same formula we can apply to this. Therefore, W is equal to minus of Q naught divided by 4 pi into epsilon naught. So, x power, what is it? Minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus of 2 plus 1, limits infinity to R. So, W is equal to minus of Q naught divided by 4 pi into epsilon naught. So, minus of 1 by x infinity to R. After simplification, minus get cancelled. So, minus of minus plus, here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught. So, into 1 by R minus 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity it is equivalent to 0. Therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by, this is work done to bringing a test charge from what is that, which point to which point, infinity to point P. So according to our statement of the definition of electric potential, the work done to bring a test charge from infinity to a point against the electric field is called, what is that, electric potential, W by Q naught. Therefore this W value we can substitute in the, W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by R by Q naught. Q naught get cancelled. Therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is potential, electric potential due to point charge. Charges 5 microcoulomb, minus 2 microcoulomb, 3 microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb are placed at the corners of ABCD of a square. ABCD of side is 1 meter. The net electric potential at the center of the square. So for example, we can consider square first. So this is A, B, C and next D. So we are considering 4 charges, that is Q1 5 microcoulomb, then Q2 it is equal to minus of 2 microcoulomb, next Q3 it is equal to 3 microcoulomb, and what is it, Q4 it is equal to minus of 9 microcoulomb. So these 4 charges are keeping at 4 corners of this, what is it, square. Side is, what is it, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Then calculate the potential, net potential at the center of the square. This is square center. Now we can find the potential at this point. What is the potential at this point? Potential nothing but work done. Work done to bring a test charge from point to, what is it, the given point. That is potential at this point, that is equal to V1. Here work done to bring a test charge from here to this point, that is V2. Next here to this point, this is V3. Next here to this point, this is, what is it, V4. Then net potential at this centroid, that is V is equal to net potential at point, what is it, O, that is equal to V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. So distance, this is, what is it, 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here hypotenuse is equal to 2, hypotenuse square is equal to 2, opposite square plus adjacent square. Therefore 1 by 2 whole square plus adjacent, this is opposite, 1 by 2 whole square. Hypotenuse square is equal to 2, here 1 by 2 square root, what is that, 2, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So this is, what is that, value. Then 1 by root 2, that is distance. Potential at V is, potential at point O is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by R plus Q2 divided by R plus Q3 divided by R plus Q4 divided by R. Right? So therefore V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into here. Otherwise you can substitute the values, 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 Here distance is what is it, r, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Distance, this is r value. So here q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus q4, that is here v is equal to root 2 into 9 into 10 to the power of 9 of q1 value given, that is 5 microcoulombs plus what is that, minus 2 plus 3 plus minus 9. Therefore v is equal to root 2 into 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Here 5 plus 3 8. Next what is that here, 8 cancel, minus of what is that, 3 you will get, minus of 3. Then here microcoulomb means 10 power of minus 6, 1 microcoulomb value into 10 power of minus 6, that is equal to, so 3 9 minus of 27 minus of 27 root 2 into 10 power of what is that, 3 volts, that is equal minus of 27 root 2 kilo volt. Simple.